Hey boys, welcome back to another video. Bitcoin and the stocks are pumping right now. Iran has accepted a 2-week ceasefire proposal and looks like market is recovering. I am long though. I'm going to show you my long. I'm also going to show you some news why I think Bitcoin might be going to 80k, some levels for this week and going into next week. All right, so let's get into the charts. This was the news that triggered or the catalyst for the pump today, but I was actually already long yesterday. So I'm going to show you why I long this, even though it was so scary because Trump had an ultimatum, 48 hours, they're gonna nuke. It was crazy basically. So, but you know, when everyone is bearish at the bottom, you know that there's gonna be a squeeze happening. I've seen this hundreds and hundreds of times throughout multiple cycles. So that's why I long. It was a key level. I'm going to share it to you. I've already closed this, by the way. I had a specific target price for this, which was a $2,000 move, which is good. And then this one is still open. I'm going to swing long my BTCC. By the way, if you want to trade this with me, I showed this long on my Telegram channel. Links will be down below. And if you want to trade with me using BTCC and weeks, I also have links in my channel. All right, so go ahead and check them out. All right, so let's get into the charts. So last week I was very bearish, right? But this was my first short. I banked on this and I told you I'm going to add here, right? And look at that, to the dollar. I actually added here, it moved. I did take some profits. I think I did take some profits here. I moved my stop to break even on the two shorts and I got stopped out. And then, you know, I missed this pump because I didn't want to long this. So I didn't trade at all. And, you know, we were chopping here and I was just like waiting. And then yesterday, this was just a classic long continuation. You mitigate the discount area. This was a golden pocket and you also have a point of control right there. And then Trump announced, boom, yes, it's just there. So weeks, I took the profits here at this liquidity right here level. That's the 70k area. Look at that beautiful entry. I showed you the screenshots and it's still here. So BTCC, I'm going to keep it open. Now, they actually are in plan of, I think they're gonna open Strait of Hormuz. So hopefully oil prices are gonna come down soon. And I think they will be charging the ships every time they go in and out. But with limitations. So I think Bitcoin and stocks are going to rally, oil prices will come down, and finally bottom might be in. So my target for this swing long on my BTCC would still be 80k. We have a lot of liquidity built up here or left here, so I feel like it's time to run them. But I kind of want to take some profits when we reach around 76k. So yeah, I mean, we're still not out of the water yet. Like, we're still here. There's still massive resistance at this area. But there's a lot of progress and attention in Iran. And I think recently, Trump said this will be the golden era. So, the golden age of the Middle East. So, I think they're finally coming to terms. Big day for the world peace. Iran wants it to happen. They've had enough. Likewise, so everyone else. And then United States of America will be helping with the traffic buildup in the Strait of Hormuz. There will be lots of positive action. Big money will be made. That's what Trump wants. Iran can start the reconstruction process. We'll be loading up with supplies and all kinds and just hanging around in order to make sure that everything goes well. I feel confident that it will, just like we are experiencing in the US, that this could be the golden age of the Middle East. This is big, guys. This is big. 2-week ceasefire. Hopefully after the 2 weeks, they will continue. World peace will begin and our coins will start to rally again. So I hope you guys did long this, it was a pretty obvious long, not pretty obvious, you know, but I would say like in a classic playbook, you mitigate the discount, long continuation, and then you wait for a catalyst, you know. Maybe I just got lucky too. So yeah, but those are my levels. I took some profits on my weeks. I'm gonna let my BTCC run BTCC run, and then once we reach 75k, 74k, I'm gonna shave some off and let the rest run all the way up to 80k. So I'm not gonna take any more trades this week. This was the money this week, probably. Yeah, this was the money. If you missed this long, you could have, you know, waited here, took this long, and then that was the money. I'm not gonna take any more trades. All right, so thank you boys for watching. Again, I have some links below for BTCC, Bitfunded, and Weeks. If you want to trade with me, go ahead and join my Telegram channel. It's free. I post my trades real time there and daily updates about the market, basically. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, boys. All right, see you guys tomorrow.